To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Patriot 9R Pro RMK or Khaos Slash, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface and remove the key. Begin by removing both side panels by releasing the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches and disconnect the connector. Then, pivot the hood forward and remove from the sled. Next, carefully remove both spark plug leads. Before continuing, clean the area around the spark plugs with a clean shop rag. Next, remove the spark plug tool from the spare belt holder. Note that the skis can be steered left or right to gain better access to the spark plugs. Then, loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the spark plug leads and ensure they are secure. Also, reinstall the spark plug tool into its holder. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.